Namaskar. Today is the 16th of June. We celebrate this as the International Father's Day. We serve and greet Father on this day. Unlike in Western culture, Indian culture is a great culture. It has a high values which are in the top in the world. And I respect those values. So Indian culture says not only the one day, it is our prime responsibility to serve and keep parents happy. We take the parents' blessing and we start out the day with their blessings, which ends with the satisfaction. Our country walks on the path of the thought process of someone like Shravan Kumar, who dedicated his life for the serving the parents. Everything which we get is by virtue of the parents. There is no way even 1% we can return what they do for the children. It's a child's responsibility to keep their parents happy. Do such Shravan Kumar exist on this planet even now? Answer is yes. And I'm convinced. I got an opportunity to meet with such a Shravan Kumar who came to my OPD with his father. He said, my father is 78-year-old and he lost his hearing completely on both the sides from last 10 years. He keeps himself isolated. He is emotionally upset. He doesn't mix up with the social programs. He tries and avoid the invites. He experiences a sadness and it's like a hell. Is it any way that we can impart hearing to my father? I'm ready to do my best for him. His first question was whether the cochlear implant, which he heard of from other consultants while taking opinions from the different ENT consultants across the country, he was advised cochlear implant operation, but he was hesitating because he's of old age, whether he can stand with the surgery. I said when he's fit for the surgery, his heart and the lung reserves are extremely good, and if he can stand for the surgery for 2 hours, age is not a criteria. Anyone from 9 months to 90 years can undergo surgery provided he is fit for the surgery. Similarly, the cochlear implant surgery, now it is an advanced technology. Thinner and thinner cochlear implants are coming in. In a smaller, minimally invasive techniques, we can do a cochlear implant surgery instead of big incisions and cuts on the scalp. He was happy with that. But the second question was, it was challenging to raise the funds to the tune of 12 to 14 lakh rupees as an expense to the surgery. He said, I will do my bit, but there I need some help from others. Then our health charity Perspiration, ENT Charitable Trust stood for this time, and together we could perform the surgery 1 month ago, and cochlear implant surgery happened at Criticare Multispeciality Hospital, Mumbai. 1 month later, his switch on of the cochlear implant done, and he started hearing from the day one. And it gradually kept on improving with the subsequent mapping sessions. And now he is able to hear almost everything, and his life is back to normal, to the hearing part of the life. He enjoys the conversation with the grandsons. He gets himself involved into the social activities, and his life is back to the normal. I salute to such a thought process of a young man to impart a hearing to a age-old stone-deaf father. And the concept is to serve the father. And he donated cochlear implant. He gifted sound to his old deaf father on the Father's Day. I really congratulate him, and I expect percolate this thought process and across the country, and more Shravan Kumar should take a lesson from him. You can actually see the video of his testimonial and his routine life. How does he does a conversation after cochlear implant with others? And thank you so much.
તમે ઓપરેશન પેલા મશીન પહેરતા એની કરતા આમાં વધારે મજા આવે?
હા
ચોખ્ખું સંભળાય બધુંય?
આમાં
સંભળાય ને તમને?
ઓલામાં ઘોઘરો અવાજ થઈ જતો ને સમજાતો નહીં.
આમાં સમજાય ને બધુંય?
આમાં સંભળાય છે, સમજાય છે,
હવે આવું કોઈ બીજાને ઓપરેશન કરવું હોય તો એને કરાવવાનું ને?
કરાવાય જ ને. એમાં
તમને હાવ નો સંભળાતું, હવે બધું સંભળાવવા મળ્યું?
તમને શું ફાયદો છે?
આમાં મને કશું ભરોસો નહોતો. હાવ હું સાંભળતો જ નહીં. મેં બધું ધબડા ખાવ એટલે હું જ નહોતો માનતો. મેં કીધું આ શેનું ખાય.
પણ હવે તમને સંભળાય છે ને બધું?
સારું થાય ખરું એમ.
તમને હવે બધું એટલું ધીમું બોલે તોય સંભળાઈ જાય બધુંય?
એટલે એ સારું જ થાય એમ. આમાં ઘણો ફાયદો છે એમ.
હવે તમને બધું મજા આવે ને સાંભળવાની?
હા હજી તો આ ફિટ કર્યું છે એટલે બે દી રાગ્યા પડ્યા તો એ હરખું થાય.
એટલે મજા આવે ને તમને? હવે મશીન કરતા તમને આમાં વધારે મજા આવી?
मेरा नाम महेश मनुभाई किनैया है। मैं सूरत गुजरात से रहता हूँ और ये मेरे पिताजी है मनुभाई जीवराज भाई किनैया। उसकी उम्र 71 ईयर्स है। उम्र के साथ साथ लास्ट 10 ईयर्स से सुनने का थोड़ा थोड़ा कम होता जा रहा था और 2 साल से उसको सुनने में एकदम दिक्कत आ गई थी। तो 2 साल से तो उसको सुना ही नहीं दे रहा था। तो उसका हम लोगों ने कोक्लियर इम्प्लांट के लिए कंसल्ट ऑनलाइन किया डॉक्टर संजय हेलाले सर से। कि उम्र के हिसाब से यहाँ पे मेरे पिताजी को लाना थोड़ा मुश्किल था। सूरत से बॉम्बे आने में और जो भीड़ भाड़ में और ये सुनते नहीं थे तो वो दिक्कत थी। उसकी वजह से हम लोग ने ऑनलाइन मतलब संजय सर ने मेरे साथ ओपीडी कंसल्ट की और मेरे को बताया कि ये ऐसा ऐसा है तो इसको ये कोक्लियर इम्प्लांट के लिए सजेस्ट मैं करता हूँ और कोक्लियर इम्प्लांट करेंगे तो इसको बेहतर रहेगा जो सुनने का है वो। और हम लोग वो सब जो रिपोर्ट संजय सर ने बताया वहां से सूरत से थोड़ा रिपोर्ट करके डॉक्टर संजय हलाले सर को मैंने व्हाट्सएप कंसल्टिंग की और वो उसने देख के बताया। तो हम लोग 14 तारीख को यहाँ पे क्रिटिकेयर एशिया हॉस्पिटल कुर्ला बॉम्बे में एडमिट हुए। 15/4/2024 को हमारा ऑपरेशन हुआ और संजय सर ने बहुत ही बढ़िया तरीके से ऑपरेशन किया, एकदम परफेक्ट। यहाँ की हॉस्पिटल के डॉक्टरों, स्टाफ, नर्स, हॉस्पिटैलिटी सब लोगों ने मिलके बहुत ही बढ़िया तरीके से हमारा ऑपरेशन में साथ दिया और अभी एकदम फर्स्ट क्लास आप देख रहे हो कि एक नंबर का ऑपरेशन हो गया। सब सिस्टम इम्प्लांट करना था वो इम्प्लांट भी अच्छी तरह से इम्प्लांट हो गया और कोई परेशानी नहीं है, कोई दर्द नहीं है और एकदम जैसे कि पहले हम लोग आए थे एडमिट हुए थे और कुछ प्रॉब्लम मतलब लेके नहीं आए थे वैसे ही अभी प्रॉब्लम लेके नहीं जा रहे हैं कुछ भी। मतलब एकदम बढ़िया तरीके से सब लोगों ने सपोर्ट किया। थैंक यू सो मच।